Are you in mood for some good food today? Then you should definitely check out my today's video. Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another easy recipe video with me, that is Stella Sentinel. You have been following me on Instagram and many of you have asked that how did I shed my weight in such a quick time. So here is the secret, because today I have brought for you a super healthy yet highly protein packed salad. It's a really simpler one but delivers high on protein. And trust me guys, if you follow this recipe on daily basis, then losing weight is not a hard task to follow. And keeping yourself fit in this COVID time is a must to do. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to my video. This is a very healthy and nutritious dish which will be get made in minutes. We will be using protein in veggies form as well as with the paneer and the eggs, and the vegetarian people can easily skip the eggs as we are going to be using the hands full of chickpeas or the white chana and lot of veggies too. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video. Let's start with the chickpeas, and I'm gonna soak this for overnight so that it takes less time the next morning and it will be cooked in minutes. Now comes the vegetables. Here I have taken the cucumber, and always rub the ends of the cucumber to get rid of the bitterness, cause it will release a white and foamy substance which contains an organic compound called the cucurbitacin. Now peel off well and cut into thin slices or small cubes, whichever you find easier. Next, take a red onion and slice it or cube it as per your choice. You can add the lettuce as well here, or any of the leafy veggies that you can eat raw. And followed by the 2 tomatoes of medium size, and gonna cut the tomatoes in small cubes as well. Some green chilies, but no worry, it's totally optional cause I'm adding those just because the green chilies are good source of vitamin C. Then some fresh coriander leaves or hara dhania. You can add the parsley as well and chop it fine like this, and I'm adding half cup of boiled corn here, and that's all for now for the veggies part. After soaking for overnight, the chickpeas are already sized double and it will be cooked in no time. Chickpeas can be cooked from dry as well in pressure cooker in almost 40 minutes. So it's really helpful and saves time if you soak it for overnight. Next, take 2 eggs and boil it for 6 to 7 minutes, and if you like to have the semi-boiled or the half-boiled one, then decrease the boiling time to 3 to 4 minutes. And I'm gonna use the full boiled egg today, and these are ready after boiling, so I'm cutting the eggs in small pieces, and those who don't wanna have the yolk, just use the white part of the eggs. By the time the chickpeas are boiling, let's go forward with the other steps. I have taken some cottage cheese, that is paneer, and cutting some of it for our salad. Now I'm gonna grill the paneer a little. So brush the pan with a half tablespoon of olive oil and dump the cubes. Add some salt and black pepper. As I have already said, the people who don't prefer eggs, just go ahead with the paneer. As we all know, paneer and egg both a good source of protein and other healthy nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12 and iron. And for the vegetarians, paneer is the major source of protein. And grill those from each sides for about 4 to 5 minutes on low flame or till the time the color turns like this. I'm gonna saute the chickpeas for 2 to 3 minutes on the same pan that I have used for paneer grilling. You can use the instant boiled one as well, but that may taste a little dull. Nothing, you just need to put another teaspoon of olive oil, following by the chickpeas, some salt to taste and some red paprika. Let it be ready for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we are gonna be making the honey lemon dressing. For that I have added 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and some pink salt. You can adjust the quantity of the said components as per the serving, as I am making the 2-person serving today. Now we are gonna start the setting for the salads. First, all of the veggies, all fresh and crunchy veggies, go right in there. Second, the sauteed chickpeas direct from the pan. Some boiled sweet corn followed by the lemon honey dressing, then goes in the grilled paneers, green chilies and chopped coriander. Sprinkle some of the black pepper if you do wanna avoid the hot bites of green chilies. You can see hot, sweet and sour, all three flavors are available with the goodness of the high proteins and fibers. Toss all of the ingredients so the dressing's flavors can be infused with the every single veggies and paneers. It's too good to eat at any time and also keeps you full for long, and it's perfect treat to your snacks or munching. If you still find it a little dull, sprinkle some chaat masala if you are trying first time for having salads towards your weight loss journey. See, it's so colorful, so flavorful, and I have used oil about no quantity, and I'm adding the eggs on top of this and also kept 2 lemon slices if you want your salad tangy like me. And finally some more fresh coriander leaves in the middle and your protein salad is ready to have.
I hope you have enjoyed watching my today's video. In case you do wanna check out my previous videos, you can get the links on the description box below. And if you are new, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, give a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Until then, goodbye and thanks for watching.